Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new trading lesson on how to use TradingView to become a better trader. Like many other things, when you are new to a concept, you seem difficult navigating your way around it. TradingView is one of those concepts for traders. The aim of this video is to simplify TradingView for you. Hopefully, after you are done with this video, TradingView wouldn't be a difficult platform for you to use. It has many pros and many cons. I'll run you through most of them and you can figure out the rest on your own. So let's just jump right onto the screen and see what we can learn on TradingView. So on our screens right now, we have how TradingView is set up like. As I noted already, TradingView has a lot of pros and a few cons. With the pros, I can talk about a watchlist flexibility, a tool for currency correlation. We have many custom indicators, a bar replay, an alert tool, a risk to reward measurement tool, and also a tool that easily identifies critical forex patterns. I'll run you through them, and hopefully after this video, TradingView wouldn't be a difficult concept for you if only you are new to it. So to the right of my chart, or to the right of my screen, we have our watch list over here. This is a watch list that I've set to suit my preferences. With this addition symbol over here, we can add as many market instruments as we want onto our chart. But as forex traders, this is where our interest is. As you click on forex, you can search for any currency pair you like. For me, I'll search for the most popular currency pair on the forex market, which is the Euro USD. And one good thing about TradingView is that when you search for a market instrument on TradingView, it gives you feeds from many brokers, so you can only choose the one that you want. The watch list also has a lot of flexibility. Once you click on the watch list, you can create a new watch list, make a copy of the watch list you already have, rename it, and do a whole lot of important stuff. I have a crypto watch list over here just to monitor the movement of cryptocurrency, and a miners watch list just to monitor the movement of unpopular currency pairs. So to the right of your screen, you can have access to all the markets that you want. And as we saw already, it's not only forex that we can have access to. We have stocks, futures, contracts for differences, cryptocurrency, indices, and a whole lot of other stuff. Another cool thing about it is that if you want a wider screen, you can just click on the watch list and details and just hide it so that you can get a wider screen for your price action analysis. Let me just bring it up for teaching's sake. A good thing about TradingView is that once you hover your mouse on any icon, you can see what all the icons stand for. We can change how we navigate our charts over here. Honestly, I prefer just the cross. It's so simple. And over here is where we can pull up our trend lines, our horizontal lines, and a whole lot of other lines for price action analysis. This icon also represents where we can find our Fibonacci tools and many other tools. The most important one I use over here is the Fibonacci retracement tool. And then we come on to this icon, which gives us access to a whole lot of shapes, rectangle, triangle, which are the most popular over here, just for price action analysis sake. Another thing to note also is that there are very difficult patterns in the forex market, and if you make up your mind to plot them manually, you would waste a lot of time. For this reason, TradingView has given us access to a tool that just creates the patterns automatically. We have ABCD patterns over here, triangle pattern, three drive pattern, head and shoulders, and all that. Let me try plotting the triangle on the screen. With just a few clicks, you have your triangle drawn and set up. This is actually an ABCD setup, which I don't use. But if you are familiar with those cipher patterns, this would actually come in as a very handy tool. And also, a cool feature as we move on to the next icon is the risk to reward measurement tool. If you are taking a long position, you can just plot a risk to reward measurement tool on the chart, and automatically it will calculate the amount at risk, the risk percentage. Also, it will also calculate the target that we want in percentage and in amount as well. That is if you are to take a long position. There is one also for a short position and a whole lot of other tools that you can use. But the most important ones over here are the long and the short. Let's see how taking a short position would be like. So say this is our stop loss and this is our take profit. TradingView's risk to reward measurement to calculate everything automatically for you, and it's as simple as it gets. For the rest, you can just hover your mouse on those icons to see what they mean and to see what you can do with them. Over here, we have a currency pair that we have on the screen right now. We can change it from this section and search for another currency pair, say CHF-JPY. And I'm taking this CHF-JPY's feed from FXCM as a broker, and has changed it simply for us. This is for identifying the time frame. You can change the time frame simply over here to the daily chart, and over here we can choose how we want to view our charts. Candlesticks is actually the most favored for price action analysis, and this FX icon also denotes a very cool feature where we can have access to a lot of custom indicators. One custom indicator that is very helpful to me and I want to introduce it to you is the divergence indicator. Actually, divergence is a very complicated concept in trading if you are new to it. The divergence indicator over here automatically finds divergences on the chart for us. For instance, over here we can see a bullish divergence at this very area, and the divergence indicator showed it to us. So as a bullish divergence over here and getting this signal over here, you could have gone long, but then it's not 100% assured. It's just a useful tool. So the icon denoted by the FX will give you access to a lot of custom indicators. And one thing that is very important in currency trading is currency correlation. TradingView has this tool that is the compare symbol that actually simplifies currency correlation for you. For instance, if I want to compare CHF-JPY with the Euro USD and see how they are correlated, I'll just type in Euro USD in the search box for comparison sake, and I'll take my feed this time from Rwanda as a broker. So as we can see, the Euro USD has been plotted above the CHF-JPY as the main chart, and it is highly correlated with the CHF-JPY. The correlation is in the positive, so this one comes in at 10.29% of correlation. CHF-JPY is also negatively correlated to USD CHF. How do we get to know this? We come to compare again, and then we type in USD CHF. This time I'll take my feed from, is it forex.com? And just as I said, CHF-JPY as negatively as it is correlated with the USD CHF, it has a correlation percentage of negative 9.07%. Can take off the Euro USD to remove the clutter on my chart, and also after seeing the results of the correlation, I can also take off the USD CHF just to have plain access to the chart. This clock icon represents an area where we can create alerts on the chart. Say if you're away from the chart and you want to be notified when price crosses a certain level, you can just click on the alert tool to create an alert for you. And this is also a very important tool over here, that is for testing strategies or back testing. Say if you are back testing a strategy, you can actually rewind the chart by clicking on a certain area and just playing the charts bar by bar. So it's actually a cool feature over here. What TradingView gives you access to, you wouldn't find in many other trading platforms. And TradingView at best is known as a charting platform. I'm going to take the bar replay off my screen for now. And over here, this also can give you access to multiple charts in one screen. So let me select this one. So this is the CHF-JPY chart. I can select the one below the CHF-JPY and compare it to Euro USD. So just as I have it below, I have CHF-JPY and the Euro USD side by side on one screen. And then over here is the settings to where you can actually set the chart to suit your preferences. TradingView is actually a very great and a very important charting platform. It is best used as a charting platform, but then if you want to use it as a trading platform, you can just go to the bottom of the screen, click on trading panel, maximize it, and just connect your broker if your broker allows trading from TradingView. There's a strategy tester, pine editor for those who want to write scripts and test notes to remind you of many other important things during trading. That is not it all. TradingView actually has some cons, I'm afraid to say. If you don't have the paid version, there are some critical tools you wouldn't have access to. For instance, the bar replay and the multiple screen settings. As on the third plan, to have 3 charts side by side, I need a bigger monitor and I need an upgrade before I can have 3 charts side by side on my screen. So that is the downside to TradingView. But as weighed against the pros, TradingView is still very beneficial. And also, TradingView has no PC app. It's only a mobile app on the Google Play Store and the iOS App Store. But I prefer to use the phone app on the iOS since that one provides a lot of flexibility. So as simple as it is, TradingView is not a complicated platform, and I hope that this video helped you understand TradingView critically. If you find anything difficult, just hover your mouse on the icons and see what each and every of those icons stand for. So as I noted already, TradingView has no PC app. If you want to have access to it on your PC, you need a powerful browser. Just visit tradingview.com and you will have access to it. I recommend using Google Chrome since it's modern and it's fast as well. From the video, we can actually see that the pros of using TradingView certainly outweigh the cons. So even if you are on a free plan, TradingView has tons of goodies to offer you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Like this video as well and comment if you find the need to do so. It's bye for now. See you in another trading lesson video. Don't forget that bulls make money, bears make money, pigs get slaughtered. Win big and lose small.